very good for nothing little whatever you call yourselves! Okay, I'm sorry! I take it back! I think we are lost. I don't see the rest of the troop anywhere.
I told you we shouldn't have went skinny dipping in that lake back there. Now not only we're lost, we're open for enemy attack.
Equip stupid monkeys!
What the heck? He threw a banana over here.
Maybe he thought it was his grenade.
Should I let him know?
No, we should just fake it and make him think he blew us up. Any ideas?
I can fake it with my grenade.
Bernie knew